What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Micron technology. So we'll do the price action analysis, let's identify what the stock price is doing, how to trade it going into this coming week, and as per my last video, I was about to open up a trade that you are seeing on my chart. Let's talk about if this trade got opened or it didn't, and if it didn't, what am I planning to do going into this week with Micron? Is there a play developing? In my opinion, yes, there's a play developing, and we'll be talking about all of that as well as we do the price action in this video. Now, before going further, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, just like all of my videos, this is only for education purposes. I take guarantee of nothing. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So, starting off with Micron here. Now, it is clearly has been going up and up and up and up, unstoppable, right? However, in my opinion, so there is a cool off play that is developing. Once I start seeing, a mix of strength with the rebound, pullbacks, and bullish, I mean, sure, that's the data confirming me already, that price action is what telling me. Dashboard helps me as an assistance here, but I like to look at the price action first and then look at the dashboard. You can do the other way as well. It's the same. I mean, whichever is easier. The only reason I have dashboard as well as part of one of my indicators is because it just makes it easier. Just to take a good summary out, look at as on that as well. But you have to set the intervals accordingly as you see through them, what you want to track and what type of interval trading you are doing. But anyways, if you are a member, you already have the videos that teaches you go through what to do with these things. Okay, anyways, enough said about that. So now the last video that I did was somewhere around here, last week. And what I was looking for is this particular trade at the trigger point of close to 117. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's see what happened. So that particular day, so this is where I was looking at if this thing breaks below this level of 117, then for me it's a short play. This thing never even touched that level, it just went straight up. So it never hit my trigger point, I never entered this position. Now what? Is there another play developing? Well, for that, we do have to talk some price action first. Now I'm going to get rid of this line. All these plays were previous plays, this line over here that we were talking about. But lately now, what am I seeing is we have broken the structure. We are, well, when I say we have broken the structure, you can follow some sort of this trend line here. It's not a perfect trend line, but it is having a lot of pivots already being met right over here. So we have first pivot, second pivot, third and fourth pivot. Fifth pivot, little bit of a dip, and then fifth pivot if you're counting these as single pivot, and then this is the final flush that we broke the trend line. So in my opinion, that structure has already been broken at this area of 125 to 127, and that's where I think there is more downside to come on it. Now, yes, it has made some of the move already. This was the place proper great entry at 125 in my opinion. However, it's still not too late. So what is the trade I'm planning on this is, let's now move this thing here. As it's about to, let that beep go through first. All right, sorry guys. So as we break through this level, this is the zone I'm watching. This is the area. Just for the safety, I want to put 121. But I want to be extra cautious here because there's this 200 hours moving average coming in. Now this definitely can provide some bounce and support to it. So there are two things I'm wanting to do on this. One is that if it rebounds back to the level of 125 and rejects, or bounces at 127 and rejects, then I would like to open up a short play over there as well. So there is one play I think intraday that I would like to take. It just depends where 200 hours moving average is. But this is the zone I'm watching on this as, taking this position. So, but yeah, so I'm interested opening a short on this, and let's go to the daily interval. And what that will give me is at least the cool off down to the significant level of 113. So this is the play I am planning on this. So it's completely a technical play with the stop loss. Let's see what the stop loss would be like. Yeah, stop loss for now, this is fine provided I enter this position. The thing that I'm not liking, I'm being cautious over here. But one thing that I'm not liking is 200 hours moving average is very close right now. And tomorrow this might come to 119. So I definitely want to see how the price reacts around it. So it all depends tomorrow. If I get a good flush below 121, I'll short. And also there are two plays I would want to take. Or if it tries to go, if it tries to go up from here, then I would want to see if it rejects any of these upper levels and try to go in short in that area. So there are a couple of things I'm watching on this actually. So there are two areas I'm watching. I want to see in the pre-market how the price action on this Micron would be, but this to me looks like can become at least a cool off play, just how the candle is looking. So, but I'll cover as we will go through day by day. I'll talk about it. Yeah, so at least a 20 days moving average at this time I do expect, because we have broken that trend line as well. Cool. And guys, so I have updated a lot of my indicators and bots over the weekend. If you're a member and just update the bots and everything and indicators, you just follow the messages on Discord. And because sometimes I note that not all of you checks the Discord on that announcement channel, because I receive questions that, oh, we saw your video and you updated a few things. I'm like, yeah, you gotta check out the Discord, because that's where I'm announcing all of it. So okay, so in 5 minutes as well, to me it's looking weak. So it went choppy, and here's the thing, right? Like it's only a flush to the downside that will trigger this position for me, because it went choppy here, right? That's just sideways action completely. So it can be an intraday long play as well, provided it gets above 124 and 15 cents on intraday only, and that bounce may bring it back up here, maybe 127 as well. And that's where I have the second area as well for potential long play. Right now it's any direction game on intraday at least, and then I would want to operate as with swing accordingly. But yeah, pre-market is the thing that would define quite a lot. I might adjust these two positions, but I just want to provide just my opinion, how I'm looking at Micron technology, and what type of trade I want to take on this. So yeah, you got the intraday play as well, got the swing play as well, the levels to watch, the areas to watch. Oh, sorry, not the 5 minutes. I want to go to the hourly interval. And yeah, so if this week the short play doesn't come really nice, I think then eventually I would want to see the break of 200 hours moving average and the break of 122 and 36 cents both, and that's when I would want to enter another again a short play. So I'm a little bit front loading myself for the reasons that I'm already seeing this pattern break, the trend line break, and it's just a matter of what is when does this triggers my position, and how things evolves, right? But you have the areas, you have the levels, the sentiment, and when I take any update. But these are the areas I'll take position in. So that's why I have put on two boxes here to see how the price action would react around here. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I did a lot of videos today. Over the whole weekend, I did NVIDIA, Tesla, AMD. I also did the options chain analysis across all these stocks. So check the videos out on my channel. There's a lot to cover. I covered a lot of plays as well, so you don't want to miss out those videos. Okay, so all right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, bye.